So I bought some pedals for my Audi A7, and this is what the normal ones look like. And these here are a little more nicer, which they are like a aluminum metal with a pretty cool design. So let's go ahead and see what they look like. So it comes with the brake pedal and the accelerator. This should just slip right on onto the original locations and kind of see how they grip. It looks like they probably come off from the top down. Let's go ahead and pull on this one so it looks like from the top. And then kind of down, you guys can see these pieces here, they kind of insert into the holes. Same thing here. So we're gonna kind of slide up from the bottom and go up and kind of push them right in there so it clicks in. And there we go. You guys can see that's a pretty big difference. So yeah, quite a nice upgrade. Now the mold here on the original is much better than these. They don't look bad, but they're just not as high quality, and the rubber is a little bit softer than the original rubber. But yeah, it seemed to be fitting very well and feels very sturdy. And for this pedal, guys, actually I just don't have anything on there. It's just a piece of plastic here. So I guess this will just slide right over it. Just got to get it around the pedal. So you do kind of have to stick your finger in there and pull on the rubber up so you can go around the pedal itself. And yeah, that's pretty much the final product there, guys. It looks really good and definitely an upgrade from the original look. It gives it more of a upscale appearance just seeing them under there.